let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece. If you are new, welcome. If you are wondering, which I'm sure no one is, why my makeup's done and my hair isn't, is because today we're gonna be doing my hair. As I'm sure you've seen from the title, today's video is in collab with insert name here hair, or INH hair on Instagram. I think that's their handle. No, it's insert name here. I was so excited when they reached out. I started looking through their Instagram and I love the stuff they have. Such a fun, cool, and affordable brand. So INH Hair is a Los Angeles based company founded by two women, which I love. They believe that transforming your look should be fun and easy. So we will see if it's going to be fun and easy, but I'm sure it will be. Like I said, they were so kind enough to send me over one of their ponytails to review. Originally it will come in this clear plastic bag, and there's a little sticker that says warranty voided if removed. But what's cool about INH Hair is they offer color matching through DM. So if you looking through their website or their Instagram and you're not sure which color you would be, you can DM them a picture and they will work with you and help you pick out a color, which I love customer service. So that's great. But then it also comes with this really cute satin drawstring bag. Super nice to give you something to store it in and travel with. It'll help kind of keep your hair intact, so I love it. Pony I am going to be modeling today for you guys is called the Maya, and I got her in the shade Champagne Blonde, which I actually think the color match, you'll see once I apply it, is perfect. I mean, don't mind the root grow out right now. I'm going to be a full brunette by the time this quarantine is over, but it blends super nicely with the blonde because I have it throughout my hair. So I would say A+ on the color match. I was able to kind of test that color match service because I had DM'd them a photo originally, and then they picked the color based off the photo I had sent. So about the Maya, this ponytail was actually worn in Ariana Grande's music video for In My Head, which is pretty cool. So this is actually synthetic hair, but to be honest, it is super soft. I've seen synthetic hairs before and they look like kind of fakey or plasticky, but this feels super soft and it looks super natural. So I was impressed off the bat with that, but it says it's made from top tier Japanese synthetic fibers. It looks just like the real thing, which I would say it does, okay. Maya is 24 inches long. It does have this slight texture to it, which they say if you straighten it will go away. So you are able to heat style these up to 400 degrees. Curl them, crimp them, whatever you're feeling. I'll probably leave it straight just for this, and then we'll see down the line how I style it, because I'm sure once we are free from quarantine, I will be rocking this ponytail, I promise. But otherwise, this pony retails for $49, which if you've looked at any other hair brands, that's a great deal. Plus, not to mention, they gave me a discount code, which I will link right here, obviously. It's literally so soft, I can't stop petting it. Blah, blah, blah. 400 degrees, like I said, okay. And then it has all of the different colors it comes into, so like I said, they can help color match you if you are confused. So now let's get into putting Maya to the test. Obviously, before we start, I just want to show you, super simple, super quick. This is how it looks on this side, and then you flip and you have your little one clip here, the Velcro, and then this is the hair that you use to wrap around the pony. There's so many different ways you can wear these ponytails, which I love. So today I'm just gonna kind of do the classic super sleek ponytail. So I'm just gonna use my smoothing brush. Got hair in it, love that. My blonde is about to disappear into my ponytail. Alright, so I'm just gonna gather my hair into a nice pony, kind of right on the crown of my head. My little trick is to put your hair, just throw it up in a ponytail and then go back over it and smooth it down. I just find that's easier for me to have all my hair kind of gathered up into the pony and then work on smoothing it out. Oh my god, I look so crazy. I look bald. Look at this ponytail, it's so sad. And then I want this to be super sleek, so I'm gonna take some hair gel and just go along the sides like so, in the back. All right, Okay guys, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. So pretty self-explanatory is we're just gonna pop him right into the crown of our pony. Like so. Kind of right underneath the ponytail band. And then I just push it in. Push it in and back. It's in now. I'm gonna take this piece and obviously start to wrap it. Oh! We'll be careful with the Velcro. Doesn't get any of like your slicked hair and pull it out. It's not a vibe. And we'll just take this and go underneath. And I want to make this as tight as possible. I feel like that's what makes the ponytail look the most natural, is when it is super secure around the band. So I'm gonna kind of hold down that other side. And so this can kind of wrap around it evenly. So there is that. So I just kind of pull tight after each wrap so that way it'll be nice and secure. Just keep wrapping. And then I forgot to show you too, it did come with 2 bobby pins. So you use these once you get all the way around. Take the little piece of hair that's left. And then use your bobby pins to secure down that last piece of hair. Oh my God. This is giving me all the vibes right now. I'm so impressed. I love it. I love wearing ponytails. I love hair extensions. They're just so fun. It's so fun to kind of switch up your look. Wow. Feels super secure too. Like I said, I kind of wrapped it around as tight as I could, but that way it makes this sort of as small as possible, the actual like application, so that way it doesn't look so crazy. I love. Give you a little 360. I feel like I'm gonna do a bobby pin like halfway. I'm gonna redo these. I'm gonna do one bobby pin like halfway through the wrap, and then the other one at the end, because I feel like that'll really hold the hair down. But literally, you guys, this was so easy. What? It took me like 5 seconds. I'm just a perfectionist and I like to redo everything like a million times. But honestly, once I get this down, the whole process could take like literally 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna stick a bobby pin down now. To kind of secure the hair that I'm wrapping around in place. And then once I get to like the end, I'm gonna use the last one just to kind of break it up and make sure we stay nice and tight. Oh no, where'd my bobby pin go? Oh, found it. There we go, that feels better. Wow, this is it, baby. Instant length. Literally so fun just to like transform your look. Like you saw the ponytail I had before, now what? That color match, this is my hair. On point. Since the pony like wraps around your own ponytail, you like don't see it. I wonder how it would look braided. Stop. Oh my God, stop. I'm obsessed. Do I have a hairband? I'm just gonna use this since I have it near me, but normally I would use a clear hair tie for the end of my braid. But how cute. Guys, how cute is this pony braided? What? Okay, this black hair tie is literally killing me. I need one of my clears. Gotta swap this out, it kills me. Okay, much better. Guys, do we love? Like when I was braiding it, I kind of messed up the hair wrap, but Nothing we can't fix. I mean, the braid though is so cute. That about wraps up the video. I just wanted to hop on and show you guys how to kind of install the pony, and then also a cute, super quick, easy way to style it in this braid. I'm gonna link my code one more time. Be sure to use this if you guys want to check it out. Again, mine is the Maya in shade Champagne Blonde, which you kind of have that little bit of like ashier blonde, not like silvery, but like a little more of like a cool tone blonde. This is the way to go. But yeah, that's about it. I'm literally so happy. I can't wait to style this some more. Be sure to follow me on IG as well. I'm sure I'm going to be taking tons of pics. I literally love that. Tons of pics in this guy once we're allowed to actually go back outside. I hope everyone is staying safe. Hopefully this was a fun little distraction for you guys, and what a perfect time to order it and practice while you're at home. I mean, the summer too, what a hairstyle for the summer. When it's hot and you just don't want your hair to touch you or be in your face. Slicked up pony, insert name here, hair extension, you're good to go. It's also super light. Like some ponies I've seen, I'm like, is that heavy? Because that feels like so much hair on top of your head. No, I literally don't even feel this. So light. If you guys have any questions about INH hair, please leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much to INH hair for sending me over this pony. Otherwise, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video.